Hello, I'm back, Freddie Collins, the Holistic Guardian, and this time I'm going to use the Master Mix, show you how to use this Master Mix that we made previously, and how we're going to make a nice cherry cobbler. Okay, we're going to take some of our Master Mix and we're going to put it in our bowl. I would say maybe a cup of the Master Mix. And we're going to put some sweetener in it. This is honey. I don't like to use that much sugar. Put some honey in here. And I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon. And a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm using what I have. And I'm going to pour in some milk. And I like the almond milk. Pouring in the milk until it gets like a pancake batter of a sort. A pancake batter. And I don't have a baking pan, so I have these pots that can be put in the oven, and I'm going to start out by spraying a little bit of spray in the bottom of the pot. And well, here is my cherry cobbler. And after it cools down, I'm going to take a little bite of it. Well, I think it's cool enough for me to take a bite of it. So let's see what happens. Oops. I got some of the cherry and some of the crust. So let's see what goes. Cherries are good. A little bit of a crunch to the crust. It's pretty good. Pretty easy too. Pretty easy to make. And very good. Something that you can make with your Master Mix. It's very good. Very tasty. So why don't you try it out? When I finish chewing, I'll sign off. Have a good day.